Hi there, it's Faye from Unravel and Unwind, and I'm going to be sharing what I bought on MadeMe.co.uk for Christmas. So I did all my Christmas shopping on MadeMe.co.uk. It's a selling site similar to Etsy, and it's all UK handmade artists and crafters. First up is the present I got for my sister and my niece, and these came from Lorraine at My Sewing Shack. Now I'm going to show you my niece's one first, and then I'll tell you a little story about what happened. So these are already out of the packaging. So we have these really lovely aprons, and my sister loves baking. So, and she does a lot of baking with her daughter. So we've got pig on the front. My sister adores pigs. We've got my niece's name. We've got a little pocket on the front. We've got herringbone tape for around the neck, and it looks like it's fastened on with buttons. It's not really. It is all sewn together. It is beautiful. And the strap, the tie, is actually, for the child's one, is Velcro, which I thought was a lovely addition. And we've got Lorraine's Handmade by Lorraine Cash label in there as well. So that's Caroline's one. Beautiful. They have been stored. I live on a boat, and I stored all of my Christmas presents in one of the overhead lockers, not realising that that overhead locker was getting damp. Now these aprons were wrapped beautifully in some red tissue paper, and I kept everything stored in their envelopes. I didn't know it got damp, so when I got them out to do the video the other day, we noticed a dye mark on my sister's one, and from the tissue paper. Now that's not the fault of My Sewing Shack. It is my fault for not storing them better. We washed it in the hopes that we could get the dye out, but we haven't been able to. So unfortunately, my sister's one has ended up with red dye on it. She is aware, and she's a whiz when it comes to getting rid of stains. So hopefully she'll be able to get that out. But it was only because the tissue paper got damp and ended up on the design. But the embroidery is fantastic. It's beautifully made. I'll bring that closer to the camera. Again, pocket. So it's all matching with Caroline's one. Again, herringbone tape for the ties and around the neck. Beautifully made. Lorraine has definitely done exactly what I asked for the Christmas present. Really good heavy duty cotton. These should last quite some time, and I'm looking forward to seeing them in photographs wearing them whilst they're baking together. So yeah, so that was My Sewing Shack, custom made embroidered aprons, adult and child, and the description will be below. Thank you for joining us on this series of Christmas present unboxings. If you have enjoyed the videos, please give them a like. If you want to see more of our content, subscribe to our channel, click the bell for notifications so that you know when we upload new videos. And if you would like some other content, join us on patreon.com. Thank you for joining us, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.